It's an honor to have Chairman Jovanovic here in Cincinnati and support really one of the core customers for the Export-Import Bank with GE. And GE's presence in Cincinnati is iconic, but it's also, what we're not seeing is the large supply chain that's here that makes up GE and is also really benefiting from the Export-Import Bank. And so those kind of discussions we were able to see on the floor, and we were able to see that whether it's in the conference room talking about it with slides or going out on the floor and seeing it for real. You could see the impact of the Export-Import Bank and the Made in America emphasis. GE can be anywhere in the world, but they're right here. They continue to invest here, and you continue to see the jobs in our local economy.
3 out of every 4 commercial planes taking off have a GE Aerospace engine. 1.6 seconds, right? Every 1.6 seconds, there's a GE engine that is fueling a plane. The scale and scope is remarkable. And so once one of these engines ends up in an airplane somewhere around the world, that's a 50-year economic relationship with the United States. And so their success is America's success. And we're so grateful to be here to continue to support them.
Yeah, I think when you look at GE, they've made massive investments in Ohio and in the United States, and they've got countries around the world that would love to have them make their product in their country as well. We want them to make it here and export there, but their service business is truly global.
The President was very clear about what he wanted to see. He wanted to see more great paying jobs here in America across the manufacturing space. He wanted continued American innovation. He wanted us to be able to sell to every corner of the globe. And GE Aerospace is a perfect example of that. Year over year, they're hiring more, they're investing more in America, but it's really that market-leading innovation, which is important. So what we spent a lot of time with GE Aerospace leadership talking about is how can we make sure that we cement the success of that innovation with supply chain security, with the 770 small and medium-sized suppliers that service them just here in the state of Ohio alone. How can we ensure they have critical raw materials, that they have what they need when they need it most? That's at the core of President Trump's approach to reindustrializing America, and GE Aerospace is helping making it happen.
I think being on the shop floor, we got to see real-time new machining centers that are taking advantage of artificial intelligence, and it's changing the workflow. And so you can read articles about it and see it, but when you go out on the shop floor and see people running a machining center that's making parts and it's using the latest technology, you look at the pipeline that it takes for the workforce to get these 11,000 people. Somebody's in school today, and they're going to come here in 2035 and make the most cutting-edge thing that people are doing in research today. So, it's a whole different thing to go on the floor and see it, smell the smells, look at the site, hear the sounds, and then see products that are really getting ready to ship to customers.